BioFlora Floor Cleaner, also sold as AEXZR BioFlora 5-in-1, is marketed as a plant-based, pH-neutral floor cleaner. It claims to dry quickly, clean gently, and add shine to floors. The ingredients listed include coconut-derived surfactants, natural extracts, and some protective ingredients for everyday household cleaning, though the website doesn't explain exactly what that means. The product makes some bold claims, like being the world's first prebiotic floor technology and eliminating 85% of harmful microbes for up to 120 hours. There's no independent testing or evidence provided to back these up. It also guarantees zero skin irritation, which seems unrealistic for everyone. It's sold at around $19.99, but similar products can be found for just a few dollars on Alibaba, suggesting it might be a branded version of a generic cleaner. Overall, it looks like a gentle, plant-based cleaner, but the marketing claims are probably more hype than science.